Welcome to QuoteMan. In this video, you will learn how to create quotations in QuoteMan. First, log into your QuoteMan account using your registered mobile number and password. After logging in, click on the quotation option from the menu bar. Now click on the Create Quotation button to start creating your quotation. Start by selecting a customer from drop-down or by creating a new one. After selecting the customer, a pop-up window opens asking to confirm whether you want to use the customer-specific terms and salesperson. You can select yes if you want to use the customer-specific terms and salesperson assigned during customer creation, or select no if you want to use the default ones. Next, select the contact person of the customer you want to address the quotation to. You can also create new ones or edit the existing ones. Please note that QuoteMan will display the contact person's name, designation, phone number, and email address in the quotation. The salesperson assigned to this customer will appear here based on the previous selection. Next, select and enter the inquiry reference, lead source. Please note that these details are not mandatory, so you can also skip them. Next, select the fields you want to display in the quotation, such as quantity, discount, GST, total, grand total, bank details, GST separately, authorized signatory, etc. by using the specific toggle buttons. Now select the items or sub-items from the drop-down or using search, or create one and fill the quantity field. You can also create or modify the item specifications, description, and rates directly while adding. Once done, click on the tick icon to add it to the quotation. If applicable, you can also add additional charges such as freight, installation charges, labor charges, etc. by using the add button in front of additional charges. You can also mention remarks with the additional charges and select the applicable GST on the same. QuoteMan lets you assign commissions to your customer or salespersons, or both, at the time of creating quotations. We have created a separate video on how to create commissions. You can head over to our website support section or watch out for the same video in the playlist to understand more. Please note that these commissions are visible to the users and not to the customers. Once the commissions are added, you can add a dispatch to address if it's a bill to a ship transaction. Next, select or edit the terms and conditions and click on Submit. Your quotation has been created successfully. You can share the quotation with your customers directly via WhatsApp and email, or you can also save it as PDF and then send it to your customers. That's it. Creating and managing quotations on QuoteMan is simple. Thank you for watching, and visit quoteman.in to manage your quotations more efficiently.